Hello everyone, I'll brief you about how to fill application form for MBA at dmsiitd Delhi. First search dmsiitd Delhi on the internet and then click on dmsiitd.ac.in. It will lead you to the official website of dmsiitd Delhi.
Click on Admission MBA and then Admissions Open link, which will take you to the registration page. For first time users, click on New Registration, then enter your name, your email address, password, your mobile number and your security question. Click on Next to go to the next page. Your application number is now generated. Please save it for future reference. Now click on Next. Now select MBA and MBA in Telecommunication System Management. Now fill your CAT registration number and also your overall and sectional CAT percentile and scores.
Now fill all the details mentioned in the personal details section.
Now fill additional contact information section. Fill the academic record section in chronological order. All the degrees are available in the drill down. If you are still unable to find it, you can click on Others and then enter your degree. Start from 10th class and then enter English, Hindi or any other medium in discipline. Enter your board, your school, the duration, the year of passing, the percentage or the CGPA that you have obtained. If you have obtained CGPA, select the conversion formula from the drop-down list. If you can't find it, select Others and enter your conversion formula.
Whether first class or not would be mentioned in your certificate itself. If not, greater than equal to 60% is considered as first class, so fill accordingly. Similarly, fill for 12th standard and for all your degree courses as well. Now, fill the detail of all your work experience starting from the latest one if you have any. Write the duration during which you worked, your designation, the name of your organization, the nature of your work and the sector in which you worked. Fill your total experience in number of months till 31st January 2021. Then answer all the required questions in the given word limit. Now click Next to preview your application form and check whether all the details are filled correctly. Now click Next, read the declaration, tick the checkbox and again click Next. Upload your passport size photograph, signature and CAT score in JPG format and in required size. Click on Upload image and check if all the images are visible clearly. Then click on Save and Continue. Click on Pay Application Fee and then select your desired mode of payment. It can be credit card, debit card or internet banking. Your application is completed after the payment. You can go through our website and check the placement reports and you can know more about Department of Management Studies IIT Delhi. You can also ask all your queries on our Pagal Guide page, the link of which is given in the description. After you submit your application form, you'll receive a confirmation email from dmsiitd Delhi. You can also comment your queries below and we'll reach out to you. So all the very best and see you soon at dmsiitd Delhi.